You've spent 12 years in school. You learned nothing about building wealth. This is not an accident. This is the system. They taught you how to earn a salary, not how to be free. You know history. You don't know how to make money work. This equation is broken. The outcome is failure. Without making money work for you, freedom is impossible. The real world doesn't care about grades. It cares about results. A diploma won't save you. Cash flow will. If you don't produce money, you're out of the game. No one is coming to save you. That era is over. Wealth is not built with a salary. It's built with behavior. It's not what you earn. It's what you do with it. Spend it, it's gone. Invest it, it grows. The rule is simple. Ignoring it is expensive. Discipline is not optional. It's required. Avoiding hard choices is not possible. You will pay the price. Excuses are easy. Results are earned. If you avoid difficulty, average is guaranteed. Average actions, average life. If you want more, you must act differently. Time is your biggest enemy. Wasting it is not an option. Waiting is expensive. It costs your future. I'm not ready is a lie. You're just delaying pain. There is no perfect moment. That idea is dead. You don't need more information. You need action. Thinking won't save you. Movement will. Overanalyzing is not smart. It's fear. While you think, others are winning. Hesitation kills momentum. Momentum builds wealth. Decide fast or stay stuck. Compound interest is not magic. It's math. Small money grows only if you start. Time multiplies everything, including your mistakes. Starting late is expensive. That's reality. 10 years early beats talent every time. You can't negotiate with time. It doesn't wait. Money sitting still is dying. Invest or lose. No investment, no growth. Simple. The market rewards consistency, not emotions. Start now or regret later. Allocate your assets based on your age. Young means aggressive. Older means defensive. Strategy is not optional. Ignoring this costs you money. Building wealth is like planting a tree. You plant first, then you protect it. No seed, no tree. No investment, no wealth. Investing is not just about getting rich. It's about building income that works without you. Passive income is the target, not constant effort. Financial freedom has a clear definition. You stop trading time for money. If you still trade time, you're not free. Imagine your rent, food, and bills paid by your investments. That's the goal. Until that happens, you're still in the game. Most people fail because they can't see 30 years ahead. If you don't understand time, you lose the game. Open an investment account and start. No account, no action. No action, no result. Perfection is not required. Starting is. Automate everything and remove emotions. Systems win. Feelings lose. The biggest mistake is not choosing the wrong fund. It's waiting another year. Start now, or accept that you're falling behind.